Hi, this is Twisty Soundy Sounds, a channel devoted to learning and developing your English pronunciation. And today we are going to learn the pronunciation of these four nouns. They are Colcannon, Nurturance, Leprechaun, and Porphyry. As I said, they are four nouns. Let's start with the first word. And this is how we say it. We say Colcannon. Colcannon. This word is a trisyllabic word. That's to say, it contains 3 syllables, and it has its stress on the second syllable. It is showcased by the line underlined ca. We say Colcannon. Colcannon. If you wanna syllabificate this word, it's easy. We say Colcannon. As you listen carefully, you hear 3 vowel sounds. Colcannon. And Colcannon as a noun, this means an Irish and Scottish famous dish known as Colcannon. This is how you pronounce this word, Colcannon. We put the stress on the second syllable. The second word is also trisyllabic, which means it contains 3 syllables, and it is a noun. It's Nurturance. Nurturance. If you want the syllabification, it's also easy. Nurturance. As you see, actually we are hearing 3 vowel sounds, which means 3 syllables. Nurturance. But in this noun, nurturance, we tend to put the stress on the first syllable. As you see, it is showcased by the line and underlined. It's nur. We say nurturance. Nurturance. As a noun, this word means it is the emotional and physical nourishment and care which is given to someone. We call this instance nurturance. The emotional and physical nourishment that is given to someone is called nurturance. Nurturance. Let's move on to the third word, which is also a noun, and it is a leprechaun. Leprechaun. This noun is also trisyllabic. It contains 3 syllables. The syllabification goes like this: leprechaun. Leprechaun. And we say leprechaun. Leprechaun. As you listen, we put the stress on the first syllable. It is also showcased by the line and underlined. Leprechaun. Leprechaun. And as a noun, leprechaun in the Irish folklore is a kind of small, mischievous sprite. That's the meaning of leprechaun as a noun. And the last noun is also trisyllabic, and it's porphyry. Porphyry. Let's syllabify or syllabificate this word, porphyry. As you see, actually we are hearing 3 vowel sounds. Porphyry. 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 And the stressed syllable is on the first syllable of the word, which is por. We say porphyry. Porphyry. And what's porphyry? It's a kind of hard rock which contains crystals. That's a beautiful word, porphyry. Now we repeat the word so that we grasp the pronunciation. Colcannon, Nurturance, Leprechaun, Porphyry. Colcannon, Nurturance, Leprechaun, Porphyry. Here we notice the second noun, nurturance, we have two R's. The first R is silent, which is mute, not sounded. We say no, we don't say no, nurturance. But the second R should be uttered. We say nurturance, nurturance. Actually, we are uttering a little bit the R sound. Why? Because it comes before a vowel, which is A. Therefore, phonetically speaking, as you see, it is showcased we have an R. Nurturance, nurturance. In the other noun also, leprechaun, leprechaun, the same thing. The R is also somehow uttered. Why? Because it comes before the vowel E. Therefore, phonetically, it is showcased as you see, R, R, leprechaun, leprechaun. And the last word, which is porphyry, also we have two R's. The first R is mute, silent, not sounded, simply because there is no vowel that comes after this R. As you see, the vowel, the letter which comes after R, the first R is P, and P is a consonant. Therefore, we say porphyry, porphyry. But the second R, which is the last one, it comes before the semi-vowel Y, because Y is a semi-vowel. Therefore, it is sounded, pronounced. We say porphyry, porphyry. And phonetically, as you see in the phonetic description, we see R, re, porphyry. Okay, let's practice them again. Colcannon, Nurturance, Leprechaun, Porphyry. Thank you so much for watching. Goodbye. See you next time.